I'm on the battlefield for my Lord. Oh, yes, I'm on the battlefield for my Lord. Well, I promised him that I'm gonna serve him till I die. I'm on the battlefield for my Lord.